The James Webb Space Telescope has uncovered something astonishing. A finding so unexpected, it challenges the boundaries of what we thought was possible. Its name is Proxima Centauri B. And for the first time, we may be hearing echoes of life beyond Earth. Proxima B is no ordinary exoplanet. It's a rocky world, slightly larger than Earth, and it orbits the star closest to our Sun. That star, Proxima Centauri, is a red dwarf, small and cool, yet fierce in radiation. The planet circles its host star at a distance much closer than Mercury does to the Sun. So close that it completes an orbit in just 11 Earth days. But Proxima B's proximity hides a paradox. It is close enough for warmth, yet bombarded by stellar flares. It is bathed in light on one side, drowned in darkness on the other. Because Proxima B is tidally locked. One hemisphere forever faces its star in scorching daylight. The other half is shrouded in endless night, frozen in a cold silence. But between these extremes, lies the terminator zone. A thin ring of twilight. A place where the temperature may be just right. Not too hot, not too cold. And in that twilight belt, something extraordinary might be happening. Something alive. This is where Webb turned its gaze. During a rare planetary alignment, Proxima B crossed in front of its star. As it did, starlight passed through the planet's atmosphere, if it has one. Webb captured that light, and broke it apart, revealing the fingerprints of invisible gases. What it found stunned researchers. Oxygen, methane, carbon dioxide. Each gas on its own can come from non-biological sources. But together? In certain ratios? They can suggest something far more intriguing. On Earth, oxygen and methane do not coexist unless life is continually replenishing them. The same chemistry, light years away, hints at something active. Something breathing. Could alien microbes exist on Proxima B? Could they be feeding, metabolizing, evolving in the narrow band of twilight? Life that thrives not in light or darkness, but in the balance between. If so, it would be unlike anything we've ever seen. It might be hardy, shielded from radiation. It might dwell underground, in caves warmed by the planet's core. Or in pools of liquid water clinging to the edge of habitability. We know Earth harbors life in the strangest places. In boiling acid. In frozen deserts. At the bottom of the sea. Why not there? Webb's instruments weren't designed to discover life. But they may have done exactly that. Still, caution is required. Volcanoes, lightning, and chemical reactions can mimic biological signatures. But something about the data is different this time. The ratios, the consistency, the mystery. It's enough to stir hope and fuel debate across the scientific world. Some argue it's premature. Others believe it may be the first whisper of life beyond Earth. But everyone agrees, this planet must be studied further. Missions are being proposed. Robotic probes, powered by light, could one day race toward Proxima Centauri. Tiny spacecraft moving at a fraction of light speed. Arriving within decades. Sending back images of a new world. Perhaps of clouds, oceans, shadows. Or perhaps, cities? Could intelligent life have evolved there? In the strip of dusk, could technology have risen? Might lights flicker in the dark, powered by minds we cannot imagine? It's only speculation for now. That biology may be a natural outcome of the universe. Not a miracle, but a pattern. And if intelligent life exists? Then perhaps we are not alone in our questions. Not alone in our hopes. Not alone in our dreams of understanding the cosmos. Proxima B is not just a planet anymore. It is a mirror. A place that reflects what we might one day find. Or who we might one day become. The James Webb Telescope has opened a window. And through it, we are beginning to glimpse the unknown. The universe may not be silent. It may be waiting. And now, we are listening. Beyond the whisper of gases and spectral light, lies a question deeper than chemistry. What kind of life, if any, could exist on such a world? If Proxima B holds life, it would be forged in extremes. Forged in silence. Forged in the dim glow of a red sun. Its star, Proxima Centauri, flares often. Violent storms of ultraviolet light and radiation sweep across the system. Any life here would have had to adapt. To shield itself. To evolve a resilience Earth life can barely imagine. Perhaps it lives beneath the surface. Hidden in rock. Tucked into crevices where warmth lingers. Perhaps it sees not with eyes, but with heat. Feels not through light, but through pressure and magnetism. Perhaps it moves slowly, measured not in seconds, but in cycles of starlight. Growing only when the flares subside. Or maybe, it's fast. Swift, reactive, leaping between shadow and safe haven. Maybe it communicates in pulses. In electrical bursts. In chemical gradients carried by winds that never rest. And what if it's intelligent? Not carbon-based, not bipedal. But thoughtful in a way we do not yet have language for. Would it wonder about the sky? Would it ask the same questions we do? Are we alone? Is there something out there watching us? And now, what if we are the answer to their question? Webb's detection of potential biosignatures has ignited a quiet revolution. Astrobiologists are poring over the data. Comparing it with Earth's early atmosphere. Running models. Asking, is this coincidence, or confirmation? Atmospheres are stories written in gas. And this one might be a message. Meanwhile, Earth prepares. New missions are being drafted. Private space agencies and global coalitions alike whisper of daring plans. The idea? Send a fleet of nanocraft. Each the size of a thumbnail. Equipped with cameras, sensors, and artificial intelligence. Driven by ground-based lasers on Earth. Accelerated to 20% the speed of light. They could reach Proxima Centauri in just over 20 years. 20 years, to see the unknown. To capture the first images of an alien landscape. To record the sounds of a distant wind. We may not yet see them. But perhaps they already know we exist. Because as we listen to the light listens back. Photons have no loyalty. They travel from one world to the next. Carrying whispers. Carrying signs. Carrying truths across time. What if Proxima B saw Earth before we saw them? What if we're not the watchers, but the watched? Already, the signal-to-noise in Webb's data suggests something structured. Anomalous fluctuations. Repeating patterns in heat distribution. Faint alignments in atmospheric layers. Some call it noise. Others, suspect intention. No confirmed signal. No repeating transmission. But a rhythm. Something that defies randomness. If it's artificial, it could be